Lentonga or Xitonga. In this episode, we're going to talk about counting or numbers in Xitonga. Let's go. 1 is Womwe, 2 is Tobilo, 3 is Totatwe, 4 is Tone, 5 is Tosanwe, 6 is Jisambomwe, 7 is Jiloba, 8 is Lusele, 9 is Huga, 10 is Kumi. And now from 11 to 21. 11 is Kumi Agomwe, meaning 110 and the 1. 12 is Kumi Atobilo. 13 is Kumi Atotatwe. From 14 up to 19, it's the same principle. You just add a single number to a 10. 20 is Makumi Obilo, meaning 2 tens. 21 is Makumi Obilo Agomwe, meaning 2 tens and a 1. And now from 30 to 90. 30 is Makumi Otatwe, meaning 3 tens. 31 is Makumi Otatwe Agomwe, meaning 3 tens and a 1. 40 is Makumi Yo Ne, meaning 4 tens. 50 is Makumi Osanwe. 60 is Makumi Jisambomwe. 70 is Makumi Shiloba. 80 is Makumi Lusele. 90 is Makumi Huga. 100 is Mwanda. 1,000 is Julu.